Hi,
Yeah.
can we discuss about Suncor quickly? Like, because it's now upward trend, so I just need your opinion on Suncor.
Yes, you. Lovely.
Sure. It was on downtrend from long time. On last two trading days, it has taken uptrend. $15 was a good buy price. Were you holding it or you are planning to get into it?
So no, Kamal, I have an average price of $19.30, and what you will suggest me? Should I go and reduce my average price because I'm long on this stock? I
Yeah,
can hold like 6 months, 7 months. Like I don't have an issue.
yeah. In that case, it definitely makes sense to buy some more as there's a confirmation of it taking uptrend and earnings might not be good as you can see earnings expectation
Mhm,
is minus 0.12. So you could wait for the earnings and if it drops, then you could
mhm,
buy some more because I expect that after the earnings, even if
mhm.
it drops, it might continue moving upward because it was in oversold and now it is reversing the trend.
Yeah, and it was down, I believe, from last 1 month. Like consistently, it's going down, 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 down. I believe I started a position at $22, and then I reduced my average price. So now I have $19.20. I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, right. So from August 31st, it has been on downtrend.
Mm-hmm.
On 2nd October, it tried to reverse, but reached this level of $17 and then
Mm-hmm.
came down. So I would expect it maybe this uptrend might again continue till this $17 resistance and then
Mm-hmm.
upon earnings, it might fall back again. And
Okay.
that time would be good to average down in my view.
Thank you.
Now, can you change the chart from candlesticks to Renko? Mohsin, are you realizing this now? Look at the last green, light green candle
Yeah.
that
Okay.
has been formed now. Now,
Mm-hmm.
the minute this candle becomes dark green, it
Mm-hmm.
indicates to you that it may come into a green territory and start climbing up.
Ah, okay.
That is why I was waiting for you. I'm also in the same script. I'm also holding it, though in a small quantity.
Mm-hmm.
So, if you wish to average, wait for it to come down to average it further.
Mm-hmm.
But at 19, I would say just hold.
Okay.
Because when this turns solid green, the
Mm-hmm.
next candle will also be a solid green candle.
Okay.
Because at 15.18,
Mm-hmm.
if you look at your left hand corner of the screen, you see a red candle and reversing from there.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Right?
Got it.
They're the same levels of which it has reversed. That was
Yeah.
way back in which
In
month
March.
exactly.
So now what I can see, like it's an upward trend.
It
Yeah.
is just turning out to become upward trend.
Yeah. Okay.
And minute it crosses your buying average of 19, your
Mm-hmm.
target shoots up to 26 or 28
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
because your mid Bollinger Band is at 20. So minute your price comes into your average and above the average and crosses the mid Bollinger Band, it will go up to touch the upper Bollinger Band.
Okay.
So that is why you could go to figure out 26 or even 28 if required.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you got deep pockets, you can average now or average at 15, 18, wherever you get a chance and take it up. You are entering a season where energy stocks will be in demand. With the winter setting in, energy stocks will be in demand. If you
The
look
same
at
thing
your
will go for a JE as well, right?
Yes.
every energy stock, if you convert this to a monthly chart, Suncor back to candlesticks to monthly chart, you will realize this, or Hekenashi, either way. And then watch what happens in the month of November, December each year.
Continuous rally here.
Yes. Okay.
This is way back. So if we see last year, August it was down, then September it took up, then October it was down, and then
Then October end onwards to Jan, it was rallying up.
right.
October end, that is November, December, Jan, it rallied. I expect a similar thing to happen now. Not at the same level, but yes, it will rally and come to about 24, 25 at least. Even at 24, if you get a $5 benefit on an average price, you would be making about 20%.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I think $24 is the first price target you could have.
Resistance, and then of course 28.
28.5. And since you are holding for mid to long term, I think
Yes.
28, $29 target would be better for you. Though we can't say that it might reach the pre-COVID levels of 40. So 28, 29 looks to be achievable.
Yeah, even I am not looking for 40. If I will get $5, I will take my profits. Like, yeah.
That's the spirit. That's the way it should be.
Yeah.
Yep.
20% is very good returns in such a volatile market.
Mhm.
Enjoy the money as when you get it immediately. Don't wait for it. Don't even wait
Yep.
for 29, I would say. At 25, 24, 25, get out.
Okay.
Yeah, and it gives dividend. So you might watch out for the next dividend as well.
Or otherwise,
Mhm.
take your profit and 15% profit and leave the balance as free stocks into your portfolio for building up your wealth.
Yeah, right.
Don't wait for 20% profit, take 15% profit and leave 5, 10, 20 shares, whatever you are left behind as building up a portfolio because that is a free stock available in your kitty.
So just watch out for the earnings on 29th of October. Yeah.
Yeah, and thank you, Vivek sir, for your
Most welcome. Most
suggestion. Yeah.
welcome. Most welcome.
Now I can see more dollars in future.
Good. Good luck. Enjoy it.
Hi guys, good
Yeah.
Hi.
evening I would say, or good night I would say. I don't know. I have a morning still.
Good
So
morning.
thank you. So the one thing I want to mention here, the earning which Kamal you just touched upon, the earning is negative, and the previous earnings were also negative, and the stock fell down after the earnings. If you go on previous year, any earnings, just check
Yeah.
the earning date, negative earning, and the next day stock is going down. Negative earning, stock is
And
going down, but that is temporary downfall for sure. This has been the case for over last 2 3 earnings, and in this earning, yeah, check this one as well. Negative earnings stock going down for 2 or 3 sessions, and then picking up again. So in this session, if the stock goes down for 2 or 3 days, it won't be a surprise, I would say. But eventually, whatever our discussion is, giving the winter season, as we mentioned earlier, Vivek mentioned earlier, and the other reason which we are looking at that remains intact. So the point here is, if you buy the stock and the stock starts going down for 2 3 sessions, so don't panic, because this will be the earning reaction. So this thing should be kept in mind. And if someone hasn't entered in this stock yet, they can enter after 29th. They may get a good chance to enter this stock.
Yes, and that will be a pretty attractive
Yeah,
valuations to enter in at.
yeah,
Very
exactly.
attractive valuations. At 1520, 1525, it's a steal to buy the stock.
Yeah, exactly. And as per the other indicators, if I would say for me the target price is like around 20 to 22 in the very very short term.
Absolute.
Yeah, 20 to 22 will be the target price
The
based
first
on the
resistance at 22
Fibonacci
years.
ratios. Exactly.
Very
I
well.
think that's pretty much it.
Yeah, that even I'll concur to that to ahead on that. Very levels to look at
Yeah,
resistances. Very true.
20 to 22 could be a good range.
yeah.
They're very close if you look at that. 22, 20, 22, 24 are
Yeah,
very
very
close to each other.
very close to each other.
Very
So
close to each other.
yeah, the next target as per the fib ratio will be 26. It's there on my screen, but I can't see it here because we don't have a fib ratio here. I had this in on my screen only, but I'm telling
Mhm.
you, we have already discussed this 2022 levels and then the 26 level. These are the good levels here.
Absolutely. We remember talking about this stock pretty frequently.
Yeah, and this was I mentioned in the group as well. So I was also planning to
Yes.
discuss this talk. So it's pretty much good.
20.
2364, 2581,
Yep.
2933.
As we said, we're very much close to each other.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah.
Previously, it has been staying in the range of 24, 23 to 25 for a very very long period of time. Maybe like in sort of consolidation stage at that level.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, I think that's pretty much is for Suncor. And